the channel. So, long time no see. It's Kelsey. Today I'm going to try to do a what I eat in a day in my life video. If it's super loud right now and you're shaky, it's because I'm actually driving right now, if you couldn't tell. I'm going to get my hair done. Super exciting. So the lighting's a little messed up, but I've been out of quarantine now for like 2 weeks. Everything is still kind of in quarantine, so there's masks everywhere, but I started back at work 2 weeks ago. So I am going to get this mess on my head fixed. All the roots. So I think I'm going to do like an all over light brown, dark blonde, like my root color, all over with some lowlights and highlights, and just kind of show you what I do throughout my day to day. Nothing super exciting I have planned other than getting my hair done. It is currently like 7:30 in the morning. My appointment's at 8, so I'm driving there now. I did eat something, so I wanted to show you. So I had one of the Good & Gather date and nut bars. They are from Target. Looks like this. It's basically like an RX bar, but the Target brand version of it. So I don't know, but it's super delicious. I really love lemon. It has really good macros on it. It's super clean. It just has the 5 ingredients in it. So that is my first thing of the day. I will catch up with you when I eat next. I'm back. As you can see, I have new hair. Looks beautiful. My hair girl Bree is absolutely freaking incredible. She does amazing every freaking time. So this is what my beautiful hair looks like. I'm coming back on camera to show you this and to show you that I'm eating / drinking again. I have a problem and I'm obsessed with Diet Coke. I can be super healthy and I will still drink Diet Coke. So I, after my hair appointment, went and picked up my favorite thing in the entire universe, McDonald's Diet Coke. If you're a Diet Coke drinker, you probably know that Diet Coke from McDonald's tastes better and it tastes different. So I'm drinking that. I'm on my way home now and I'm going to get ready and take some Instagram pictures of my new hair that looks so beautiful and I'm obsessed with, and it looks so much better than my long ass roots that I had before. I'm gonna go take some Instagram pictures, and then I think my mom and I might go to the pool today because it actually is turning out to be a very nice day. It's currently like 82 degrees and not super humid, so I'll bring you with me. We're at the pool now. Before we came, I made a sandwich at my house with some Dave's Killer Bread and then this amazing Trader Joe's garlic spread that I'm obsessed with, and then I put some turkey and cheese on it and I had that for lunch, and then now we're kind of just chilling at the pool, tanning, hanging out. It's a nice relaxing Sunday, and I will show you if I have any snacks or what we do for dinner. When we got home from the pool, I had this cookie bar from Flapjack. It's super good and it has really good macros in it. It has prebiotics and probiotics in it, as well as it's really high in protein. So we just got back from the pool, so I'm gonna make a quick little snack. So I'm gonna make a protein smoothie because I'm kind of hungry, but not really. So we're just gonna make a protein smoothie. So I'm gonna take some frozen bananas. If I can get them out of the jar. We do like 2 frozen bananas. I'm gonna take a scoop of the Bloom protein. This is their chocolate banana protein, and I'm gonna add that to my protein shake. Delish. Then I'm gonna take some Further Food collagen to get more protein. We're gonna add that. And then I'm just gonna finish the rest with some almond milk and just blend it up. So yeah. Got my delicious smoothie, so I'm gonna drink this and then kind of figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. Delish. So it is currently dinner time, so I'm going to make this for dinner as well as whatever leftovers I have. I'm gonna have for meal prep for some of my lunches while I'm at work this week. So I'm making like a stir fry type thing. So I get these like pre-made packaged vegetables because I'm lazy and I don't like to like cut up a lot of vegetables. So this just has onions, asparagus, and mushrooms, and I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit smaller than it is already. And then I have some ground beef going on the stove. So I'm gonna mix that together with some soy sauce, sriracha, and some sesame seeds and make like an Asian inspired stir fry. So I'm doing that now. I'm watching Money Heist, which is so incredible. If you haven't watched Money Heist, watch it. So good. But yeah, I'll show you how I make this and what it looks like in the end, and then I will just package this with, I have a bunch of pre-cooked brown rice, so I'll put like either a half a cup to 3/4 a cup of rice with a serving of the vegetables and a serving of the meat, and it'll be a cute little meal. I cut up all the vegetables a little bit smaller, and I did about 1/4 a cup of the soy sauce and then like 2 tablespoons of sriracha. A lot of the soy sauce will cook down once I steam the vegetables. So I'm gonna put a lid over this, let them steam, get soft, and then I have the meat sitting here waiting to just be added, and then we'll season and add some sesame seeds. So once I had it all mixed together, I added sesame seeds, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I already had my serving with rice, and then I have enough to make 3 extra, so this is gonna be my lunch this week. So this is 3/4 cup of rice, and then I'm gonna put it over top. There we go. We got the ground beef with the onion, the asparagus, and everything grilled on top, and then the rice, and this will be a perfect lunch for me this week. Boom. I'm filming this outro a couple days later for my what I eat in a day. I just completely forgot I had a really busy day. I went to bed late that night after meal prepping, but those are some of the things I eat in an average, what I eat in a day. If you guys like these videos, I'll try to do them more because I think they're kind of fun, and I like to incorporate little vlog aspects of my life into them as well. So like if you want to see more vlog style what I eat in a days, I can totally do that for you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you do. Also, let down in the comment section down below, like let me know anything you guys want to see coming up, any content, anything, just let me know. I do post videos, well, I'm going to try to post videos every week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.